6. Bearing others' burdens. 6. 164, 17:15, and 35:18 declare that no soul bears another's burden, implying strict individual responsibility, yet 29:13 states that people will carry the burdens of others. Scholars reconcile this by differentiating between moral responsibility and consequences of social influence or collective punishment. Critics point out that these distinctions are not explicitly clarified in the text, creating apparent inconsistency. 7. Alcohol, allowed, harmful, or satanic. 1667 speaks of intoxicants as a provision. 2.219 notes they contain both sin and benefit, while 590 declares intoxicants as abominations of Satan to be avoided. Critics argue this shows inconsistent divine instruction. Muslim scholars explain it as progressive revelation, gradual moral guidance reflecting evolving societal norms, but the textual progression remains uneven. By Nate Allah's words, immutable versus abrogated 6:115 claims Allah's words never change, yet 2:1106 and 16:101 allow abrogation of previous verses. Critics note the literal tension. If God's words cannot change, how can some be replaced? Exegetes reconcile this by distinguishing between essential divine truth, unchanging, and practical application of specific rulings, replaceable. However, the contradiction between immutable and abrogable creates textual strain. 9. Human creation substances. The Quran describes humans created from clay, 23:12, a sperm drop, 16:4, a blood clot, 96:12, dust, 30:20, and water, 21:30. Critics highlight that the Quran gives multiple origins without explicitly harmonizing them. Muslim scholars often interpret these as symbolic stages or different aspects of creation, but literal readings show apparent inconsistency in material origins. 10. Order of creation, earth versus heavens. 41.9-12 describes earth being created first, while 70-79 by the 79 Gonansam, what 7-79 or 77 said the 79-30 implies the heavens were created first. Critics see a direct contradiction in sequence. Exegetes reconcile it by suggesting some verses focus on order of formation versus sequence of completion, yet the literal text presents an uneven narrative.